song from Michael Bublé. It's called "Oh, Up Like This." Another summer day is gonna go away. You have some room, but I wanna go home. Baby, surrounded by million people, I feel all alone. Just wanna go home. I wanna miss you, you know, and I will keep it low. The letters down the road from you, each one a line or two. Fine, baby, how are you? Well, I was certain, but I know that it's just not enough. My words couldn't plan. You deserve more than that. Another better plan, another side place. I'm lucky and low, just wanna go home. Let me go, let me go home. I'm just too far from anyone, and I gotta go home. And I feel like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I get set aside, but everything was good, right? Did I know this one couldn't come along with me? These were some of your own dreams, but you always believe in me. I'm out of ways to say that's coming my way. You live in Paris soon, but I wanna go home. And I go, yeah, it's a running wild. I'm meeting people like to feel love, just to let me go home. Oh, miss you, let me go home. I had my run, baby, I'm done, and I gotta go home. Let me go home. We're alive. I'm in holiday tonight, and